విద్యా రంగంలోనే అగ్రగామిగా నిలిచిన విద్యా సంస్థ మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్స్. ఫోన్ 227115 మరియు 277022.
Hello, welcome to English Grammar third video. The previous video we discussed about the simple present tense. You remember simple present tense? What is use of simple present tense? How to use simple present tense? In this section or in this video, we are going to learn something about present continuous tense. This is second tense of present tense. Simple present tense, next tense is present continuous tense. We will learn what is the use of present continuous tense. Same way, how to use present continuous tense. This I will explain through a sketch. This is nothing. It is a lifespan of Mr. X. This is the present time of Mr. X. That is today's time. This all is past time. This all is future time. So Mr. X is past time is that we can talk about yesterday, day before yesterday, last month, last week. Today's is present time. What is coming? This future time. So present continuous tense. What is the use of present continuous tense? An action started in the past and that is going on at present. The word itself, present. Present means today. Continuous, going on. Today going on. An action started in the past and that is going on today. When you think about the past, it doesn't mean yesterday. Last 5 minutes before past. Last minute is past. An action started 5 minutes before, also going on. An action started yesterday, that is going on now. An action started 5 days before, that is going on now. So any time started in the past, that is going on at present. But simple present tense, habitual action, not going on action. The word present is there, but that's only habitual action or universal truth. But here present continuous tense, it should continue. Action should be a movement should be there. An action started in the past, that's going on. Yeah, formula, how to use formula. As simple present tense we told you should have subject, start with subject. You talk about Mr. X. Then you should use auxiliary verb is, are, or am. Depend on subject, we change it. You already last previous class we told us agreement between subject and the verb. See, it's a third person singular. Mr. X, we are talking about Mr. X, third person singular. Is. Mr. X is. Then we should use verb 1. Present form of the main verb. First part is auxiliary verb, second part is a main verb. Then we should use ing form. Ing, that means verb 1 plus ing. Fourth form of the verb. Verb 1 plus ing is called fourth form of the verb. Is are plus fourth form of the verb. Otherwise, verb 1 plus ing plus object. Mr. X is sleeping. Is sleeping. Where? In the hall. Mr. X started 10 minutes before. That is the past. An action started in the past. Mr. X is sleeping in the womb. But plural comes in. Mr. X and his friends. Mr. X and his friend are subject. Auxiliary change. Plural subject, plural verb. Mr. X and his friends are going to the market. Half an hour before started action. Now also going towards the market. They did not reach the market. Started in the past. Now also going on. Destination. They did not finish the destination. So going on activities. That's it. An action started in the past. Now also going on. Present continuous tense. Simple activities. Universal truth. Habitual action. Simple present tense. Negative sentence will come to next video. Now this another first usage is going on activities. Something going on, use a present continuous tense. Second usage is a nearby future action. A nearby future. Which is nearby? Today or tomorrow is nearby. Today or tomorrow, what is going to take place is future, but nearby future, you can use this same formula. For example, you are planning to write an exam tomorrow. You can say, I am going to write an exam tomorrow. I am going, the verb is used. I am going to write an exam tomorrow. Or I can say, I am going to ask a question after this video. Children are going to the park at present. Here we use the words now. Now, simple present tense we told every day. Now. At present. Today. At moment. These words we can use present continuous tense. Second use it nearby future. Nearby future we can say this evening or tomorrow. This evening. I am going to write an exam this evening. Third, one more usage for present continuous tense. Same formula, subject plus is plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. This formula is also used for a temporary action. What is a temporary action? Opposite of permanent. That which fixed, permanent. No, permanent means it takes so long. Temporary for limited time. Something is going on for limited time. For example, you have a bicycle. It gives troubles. How many days? Every day trouble or what? No. It gave you today, tomorrow it's okay. You get prepared and it's okay. But again after 1 week, temporary action. Sometimes it gives problem. So after that you prepare it and my cycle is giving me trouble. You can use these days. These days or nowadays. These days. Maybe misunderstanding between husband and wife. You can say the husband and wife are fighting these days, quarreling these days, are quarreling. So present continuous tense, an action started in the past, anytime in the past. This means 1 year before, 1 year before also, one month, 2 weeks before, yesterday, 5 minutes, last period, last section, started in the past, now also going on, present continuous tense. Now when you think, clarify simple present daily activities, daily things. So present continuous tense, formula, simple present always active, present form of the verb only allowed. But here, one combination of one auxiliary verb, reform auxiliary verb, and fourth form of the verb plus ing. An action starter, before. Another usage for present continuous tense always studied nearby future activities. Today or tomorrow, whatever you are going to do is a nearby future activities. It is going to rain. It is going to rain this evening. Third, temporary action. Temporary action. The action which is going to take place for some time. I am staying in Tenali for 1 month because I came to visit my grandparents who are staying in Tenali. 1 month only I will stay. I am staying with my parents in Tenali. Temporary action. But today's homework, I think you understood the difference between simple present tense and the present continuous tense. Today's homework, going on activities. You look at somebody or something, it is going on. You can talk about railway station. Imagine you are in the railway station. What is going on surroundings? Or you are in the bus stand, market, or in the party. Now write 10 sentences. What is the situation going on in present continuous tense? Action started when you went to that situation. It is going on. Now also going on. This formula I use. For example, I am in the Gandhi Park. When I enter the park, I can see many activities there. So I say, I can see many people are coming to the park and many people are going outside the park. When I look at the rise, I can see people are really enjoying their life. Look at the other side. A child is moving towards the ice cream shop. Same I can hear someone is shouting outside the park. So I like that. You also write 10 sentences. Situation, create a situation and write 10. Thank you.